Let's do this for a concave mirror. So now, once again, I read you the statement of the question and you try and parse it for me. So I have a 6 centimeter tall candle placed 24 centimeters in front of a concave mirror with focal length plus 8 centimeters. Determine the image location, size, and whether it's upright or inverted. Okay, what is 6 centimeters referring to? Height of the object. 24 centimeters? Distance of object. And focal length is plus 8 centimeters. So once again, now you can do the calculation. Let's do the calculation first and then we'll do the image diagram. But you could also, I personally like to do the image diagram first. So I'm going to, in fact, let me do the image diagram quickly. So it's a concave mirror, so ray parallel reflects through focal point. This is ray 1. Next, what do I draw next? You have a choice. You only need to actually do 2 of them. So which one would you like me to draw? The ray through the focal point, and how will it reflect? Parallel. Okay. So the ray through the focal point will reflect parallel. I've not drawn it all that well, but you get the idea that this is where the image is going to form. Why? How do I know to draw the arrow upside down? What allows me to draw the arrow upside down at that point? Because the light rays are crossing below the perpendicular axis. And remember, I've taken the origin of the light rays to be the top of the object. So wherever they meet is the image of the top of the object. Okay? So that's this. So I have these 2 rays and that's where the image is. So I already know some things about this image. It should be real. What else? Diminished in size and inverted. So I should be getting a positive image distance, a negative magnification, and an image height that's smaller than the object height. Okay, so a magnification that has magnitude less than 1. Let's see if my calculations bear this out. Okay, so I have the same equation, 1 over object distance plus 1 over image distance is equal to 1 over f. Remember to put in the units. If you put in the units, you won't forget to invert the answer. So when I write 1 over 12, remember this is 1 over the image distance. And so the image distance is 12, plus 12 centimeters. Plus indicating it's in front of the mirror, it's a positive image. It's a real image. It's a positive image distance, so it's a real image. Magnification. Image distance over object distance, so 12 over 24, which means magnitude is 1/2. And because I have this negative sign over here and both di and do are positive, I'm going to get a negative magnification. So negative 1/2, the negative indicating it's inverted, the 1/2 indicating it's reduced in size. So if I know the object height is 6 centimeters, what is my image height going to be? 3? Negative 3 centimeters. So in image height, take the negative sign into account. When you're checking those multiple choice questions on the exam, the negative will matter. Okay? Good. Any questions? So of course, I should do a better drawing of these. Okay, so those 3 meet at that point where there is an image. And I've even done a scale drawing here. but you can always do this roughly.